How we doing today, man? I have no idea what is actually even happening right now. We are seeing a 800.5 minute candle, and I don't even know if there's news right now. I don't think there was anything scheduled. This is quite easily the most ridiculous market conditions I've ever seen in my entire life. Obviously, I've only been trading for a year and a half, 2 years, but this is pretty ridiculous. I locked both my accounts today. We got absolutely blessed today on our account. Last week, right, we took a $150 loss. You guys might remember that. I woke up today. I cannot find the comment. Someone commented this, and I can't find it now. Someone said that, hey, the losses are going to be removed, and I was like, yeah, sure. Sure. And I was like, logging in today, and I saw 890. I'm like, man, I'm pretty sure I was down like 1,000 or so. And I look, and we see they removed Friday's loss right here. And we're only down 160 on the month now, and we're only down $19 on the week. So we basically got a get out of jail free card. But then I posted on Twitter, on Diego B Trades on Twitter, and someone was like, yo, so that happened to one of my friends or something, and man, what is this? Another 5-minute candle of 250. Oh my gosh. Like, this is where it's just like, I wish I just got him with one micro right here, bottom ticket, and just made like a quick, like, 2.5 bands, like, just something light. Oh my gosh. But it's like, how would you know, right? Like, how would you know? You don't, right? That's just straight. Like, what is this price action, bro? How do we even trade this? How can we even trade this? What do we even, like, the point of today's video is just, I don't even know what to do. I don't know what to do. I have no idea what I'm supposed to do with this. Like, because this isn't even just, high volatility. Like, this is just, like, these are not normal moves. We're about to go sweep this liquidity from, what was April 4th? Was that Friday? Yeah, this is overnight. We're about to go sweep Friday's high. I mean, what is this? How am I supposed to trade this? I have no idea what's going on. Never seen anything like this in my life. Never. Obviously, again, it's like no one has really, typically, or that's been trading recently. Like, this is the first time for everyone. But, like, what is this move right here? This is a 1,500 or 1,600 point move. And we just swept out all the highs from Friday after opening, gapping down like 1,000 points. Like, this was a literal 1,000 point move lower. We gapped lower and we dumped in like a minute. And we came down here, and now we've just reversed this whole move. I mean, this is insane. At this point, we'll be at all-time highs again pretty soon. I'm just in shock right now making this video. Like, I don't even really have any talking points because I'm not trading this because I quite literally can't. How can you trade? How can you trade when one candle can be 300 points? I can't. I literally can't justify a trade. And it's annoying because all these people are making so much bread on Twitter, but I physically can't. I can't take a trade here. I can't trade here. On one micro, that's $600 of risk that you could have just in an instant, right? And I don't know what's sparking it. Dodgy, I'm pretty sure. Like, I took a short on paper that you guys saw me post. I took this 15-minute. We were in the new week gap. We were breaking lower right when market opened. We closed below, and obviously I was expecting a lot of panicking to happen when the market opened. So we do get a nice 250-point move, which looks like nothing now. But we go and sweep out this low. So if we really want to look at the market, right, we swept out this low, held the bodies above. The 1 hour fair value gap right here, retraced down there. I mean, then we get a ridiculously bullish close. And then we have a 18-minute 1,000-point run up. This is just mind-blowing stuff. This is just mind-blowing stuff, man. That was like the only short. Like, the market looks like makes sense in terms of like structure, but like it still doesn't, because it's just like how, like, what's the bias? Is it short? Is it long? Is it whatever? Right? Let's take this for fun on paper. Let's take this 1 minute inversion right here, just for the fun of it, and see. Let's go in with 2 micros. And boom, we're on paper. Let's go. We're in a short because why not? Let's make this video at least interesting. Let's target this low here. We could go break even at this low right here. Go break even there. And target one take profit at, we'll take a contract off there and let our runner go. As long as this is 100 points. Of course it is. Dude, you guys would rather watch me slap a 200-point trade. Well, I don't even care. 200 points. 200 points. Right here. It doesn't matter. We're about to hit 180 points if it gets there. Probably just rip up and stop us out for like a grand. This is just insane. But you like, this is crazy. My stop loss here, which is, if this was a normal chart, if you looked at this chart and we're like, oh, inversion, we swept out these highs, right? We have whatever, and you look at this chart, you'd be like, oh, this inversion, stop loss here. 2 micros. This is not 2 full countries. This is 2 micros. $1,128. That is insane. That's insane. I'm up $200 almost, and it's like barely moved away from my entry. Like, this is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Like, this is why I can't trade though, because like, what am I supposed to do with this? I'm not gonna risk this much on my account. Do we have like a 5-minute gap? We're in a 5-minute imbalance right now. Let's see if we get the break even and we scale. Like, again, I want a 200-point trade actually, and we got it. We couldn't even get in time, and then we got to take profit. Like, I mean, not even really a take profit. I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't even know what I'm doing. We're just trying to have some fun on this video, but this is crazy stuff, man. Like, being like kind of like honestly a market nerd for all this. Like, I love showing up to the charts and learning and seeing different things. This is like seeing snow in Florida, right? Like, it doesn't happen but once every 100 years. Like, we are witnessing something insane. Like, I don't know how else to put it. This is something insane. I don't even really know what to say. Let's go for 1,000 points on one micro. I've never hit a 500-point trade before. I'm sure most of you guys haven't hit a 500-point trade either. This is just crazy. I don't know. I don't know what to say. But Dodgy, of course, he always looking for a long. Somehow we open in the most negative ever, and this man's longing this right here. This is what this man longed. Crazy work. Absolute psycho. But, you know, this man loves a good little long and a quick break even. I'm pretty sure he went break even right here. If he would have held his runners, bro, he would have, oh my gosh, he would have printed. He would have made 500 points to this high even, and then he would have made, obviously, if you hold past here, he would have made 1,500. I mean, that's just insane. But that was a trade he took. Like, again, I can't take any trades because I can't do anything. What are you guys, how are you guys handling this? Are you guys trading? Are you, like, what are we doing here? We're up 1% on the NASDAQ today somehow, and we're just like we tagged that high, and like price is kind of delivering like you could kind of expect, but at the same time, like, not really. Like, I don't really know how to explain it, right? 500. This will be a 510-point trade, and you guys are gonna witness a crazy 500-point trade live. Like, this is just insane. Let's try and target 1,000-point trade, because it doesn't matter. It's just, who cares? Let's get 1,000-point trade right here. We're up $600 on a micro. This is insane. This is insane. This is why, like, it's tempting. This is why I had to lock my accounts. Is because if I didn't, I would be like, man, let me grab one micro. If we went in with this trade and we had our stop loss here, we've been risking we can't risk $500. 150 is all we can risk. We would have barely not got stopped out, and that's 70 points. Look, we would have barely not got stopped out, and that's a 75-point trade or 75-point stop loss. We would have just by the skin of our teeth not been stopped out of this trade, and then we'd be up like $600, and I'd be an absolute wreck. This is insane. Like, genuinely, I've never seen anything like this. We're about to be up 500 points on this trade in like seconds. This is just, again, this is like seeing snow, man. I love this job, even though I don't make money yet from trading, but I will. I know I will eventually. I'm just trying to take everything in, man. I was watching Justin's video yesterday about his new series I post on Sundays about trading and scripture and stuff like that, and he was just saying, be in awe, right? Learn how to be in awe and that and everything. We're about to hit 500 points here. This is insane. I think we're like 450 right now. This is insane. I just keep saying the same thing because it's actually mind-blowing. But Justin was saying, like, just be in awe, or like, and just in anything, in live trading. and then just be in all the markets, man. And that's what we're doing here today, just being in awe of just this volatility. Whatever is happening, whatever this is, it feels like we're not even doing it feels like we're doing something completely different than I've been doing for the last year and a half, which is kind of scary. And there's 1,000 points right there, or 500 points. It's scary, but it's also just like cool. I mean, I don't even know. Like, I couldn't tell you, really. I really couldn't tell you what any of this is going to mean for the future. I have no idea. So how are you guys handling this? What are we supposed to do? I mean, this is just crazy, dude. This is crazy. This is just insane. Up $1,100 on one micro. What is this? That's 550 points. And it's just melting, and like it just feels like it's gonna keep melting, but who knows? It could just bounce from here. Dude, can you believe we're about to hit 1,000-point trade? If it keeps going, you need to drop another like double. But again, I can't trade. So what's the lesson, right? If we're gonna learn anything from today, what's the lesson? Sometimes you just gotta be okay with not being able to trade. I have to just be okay today and say, you know what? I can't trade. I can't come into the day and risk capital, because again, how on earth, even this right here that looks small, just this swing right here, 156 points. I literally can't trade. I literally can't trade. If we go to this account right here, this drawdown has only $571. This trade here, that's like nothing, is more than my remaining balance, which would have been nice to make this amount, right? It would have been really nice to have made this, but I can't worry about making that much because it's just not realistic, right? Because I could have easily lost that much. Dude, it is a wild time. A wild time. But if anyone else got their loss removed, let me know. Someone said that they did not get their loss removed. I woke up like a kid on Christmas when I realized that my loss was removed, because it should never happen, man. It's like today. I shouldn't have been trading on Friday. Like, why was I trading when the market was moving hundreds of points in minutes, right? And let's just close this position out and then realize that P&L and just keep playing around. Dude, like, what even is here? Like, this is it. Like, I'm genuinely just baffled by trading right now, just the market. This is such a unique time to just be a part of the market. If we look here on the NASDAQ and we look at the weekly, we are hitting equilibrium of like a year move. This is December 22 right here. This is December 22. We have hit equilibrium of this move. We are in like well dug into equilibrium, like 1,000 points lower of this just year of, or 2 years, 3 years, 2022, November, October, so like 2.5 years, or like 1.5 years, October, all of 23, all of 24, just chugging away at this. And ever since 2025, we have just retraced a whole year's worth of just uptrend in a matter of weeks. This is insane. It's really crazy. When you don't see this often, you see it once every few years, right? This is 2020, all the way to 21, so a year up, right? You get a big pullback. Based on last time, right, when we hit the equilibrium, we stayed around for a while, but we didn't really go too much lower. If we start tanking lower, we're in uncharted territory in terms of we don't have big, right? We don't sweep out these types of lows, right? When we put in lows on these markets, this is a real crash, right? I guess the .com bubble, I guess, right? We put in a low here, 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 put in a low here. We don't see these lows get swept. So if we see this low right here get swept, where's that drawing tool? I mean, you guys see it anyways, but I just want to draw. If we sweep out these lows down here, from all the way down here, we come down and then sweep out these lows. This is uncharted, like actually uncharted times. And wow, dude, I wish it wasn't like this because it's just really difficult to trade. I really have no idea what I'm supposed to do. I don't think anyone really knows what to do day to day. I don't really know what you can do. But this is when I started trading here. I started trading in July of 23. Maybe even a little bit before, right? I started trading here, and we had a little bit of a bear market. A little bit of bear market. But we were just retracing, right? Big, healthy up push. Swept out these highs here. We had a little retracement down to these fair value gaps, right? And then I got all of this. Boom. Chug, chug, chug. And I remember getting to all-time highs for the first time in my trading career. We hit all-time highs on the NASDAQ. It was cool. It was like, man, we're at all-time highs. Like, I just started trading, so I was like, oh, this is sick. I get to see an all-time high. But then, you're trading all-time highs constantly, and it's kind of annoying. All-time high. Like, right during this stretch, you're just trading all-time highs the whole time. You're at all-time highs the whole time. Then we get a nice little pullback. And then a few weeks later, we're back at all-time highs, back at all-time highs. Now we're not. I don't like trading all-time highs because it's nice to have targets that aren't all-time highs. But, yeah. This is just weird. I don't know what to do. And I don't know if my strategies are going to still work. I don't know if... I don't know what I'm supposed to try and do. I'm not sure. Because ever since we got a new president, right? I can't remember exactly the date, but we started seeing some hectic stuff, man. We had you guys remember the price action through this time? Bro, this price action right here was chunky. I was doing all right through here, but it was chunky, bro. We had it was so bad. It was so ugly. This wasn't the greatest. But now it's just like, what are we supposed to do when we're dropping 6,000 points on the NQ? It just, I don't know. It's crazy. It's a crazy time to be trading. Now we're back down almost 1%. We were just up 2%. This is insane. It's just sit back and enjoy the ride, I guess. Because what else are we supposed to do? I don't know when I'm going to be able to actually trade again. I don't really want to start a combine because I don't really want to spend $50. But this might be the best time to do a combine because you can pass them so quick with the volatility. But I don't really want to spend $50 on a combine just because I can trade for free if I don't buy one. So there's really no point. And again, if I pass one, I don't want to pay $150 to not even trade it. So I don't know. It's I shouldn't I guess I'm just paper trading. But this is the hard part with trading, man. It just feels like I want to get ahead. I want to do better. I want to become a real trader, make money. But sometimes it's just out of your control. And right now it's just out of my control. I can't really trade this market. So it's cool though, right? We can come in, watch, and enjoy it, enjoy the show. But I don't even know what I'm supposed to make content on. What am I supposed to review, right? It's cool today. It's a one-time thing, but I really don't expect the video to do well, which again is fine. But that kind of stinks, right? I like when my videos do well, but what am I supposed to talk about? I can't even talk about my journey or my progress. Maybe my progress is just not trading today, though, right? And let's take this inversion long, man. Why not? Put our stop below this low, below this inversion fair value gap. We take one off at the high, and then we go break even at that high. Let's see if we got us another snipe on our hands, man. We're already up $100. Crazy. But these, it's just I don't know if these strategies are even working the right way. Look, this would be $200 a day if we just got in there. Boom. Right? If we take profit this high, $600, like a 1-to-1. Crazy work, bro. We're back up on the day about 1%. This is insane just seeing the swings. And I would definitely move my stop to break even now. If it doesn't hit that high, it would be pretty sketchy. But let's leave it. Let's leave it. Nah, we don't want to lose on the paper. Let's see. That's pretty wild that it didn't hit that high though, did it? Yes. Not loading. Yes, did. We have an SMT. Get out. Panic, panic, panic. I'm just kidding, dude. I don't know, man. This is just wild stuff, dude. What am I even supposed to, again, make videos about? Like, this channel's been growing. We've been having the best momentum ever on this channel. Now I'm getting this. So, literally no reason to keep recording, make this video longer. But we have a nice Champions League is at least back, right? If all trading is horrible and we're getting this, and I don't even know what this all is. I don't know what to do with this. But at least the Champions League is back. Real Madrid will go to London tomorrow, or maybe today, but they're going to play Arsenal tomorrow. Fingers crossed they can win, man, or just play well. Just don't want to get knocked out by Arsenal. But I'm looking forward to that. I'm going to hit the gym. I'm gonna work on different things I need to work on for this week. And maybe we just take this week as a prep week for bettering our year, right? Because I have some goals that I need to start working some overtime on for this year if we want this year to be great, because it will be great. But I need to do some things. So right after this, I'm gonna get a pen and paper. I'm gonna just start jotting down what I need to start doing. Right, everything: eating better, sleeping better, reading more, everything. Man, we got to transform ourselves into that person that we need to be. So we will see. Right, get this little inversion right here, follow that trend. And let's see what happens, dude. Go break even at this low. Right here, when we got this like impulsive move, that's when I'll go break even. That would be $400 trade, which is crazy. Let's see if we get it, and then if we do, right? Why are we going here? Because this is when this like random impulse came out. And boom, that's another $150 or $200 on the day. Crazy stuff, man. Let's hit these lows, dude. Right here. But yeah, we're gonna go break even because who cares? But dude, you guys just saw me just smash TPs on live, man. I'm a beast. I'm apparently amazing. So it is what it is. But yeah, man, I got some things. We all got some things we know we want to work on. We want to achieve this year. And this is a good week that reminds you that, you know, we sometimes we get so focused on the charts that we don't take time to just do other things and really progress in other aspects. So I really want to start progressing a lot more in other aspects. Got a lot of stuff I can do to become better and just make more money and be a better person and be more just everything, man. One of the biggest things that's kind of crazy is I've realized that I'm not the man I need to be to live the life I want to live right now, and I got to level up because unfortunately, as a man, you know, nobody's coming to get you but yourself and God and Jesus. He's there for you, but other than that, man, no one's gonna help you. No one's gonna help you make more money. No one's gonna help you provide for your family. You got to do that for yourself. And unfortunately, as much as you know, it would be nice that you don't have to. That doesn't have to be that way. Sometimes life is that way, and you have to get things yourself. So. If I want to have a wife someday, if I want to have kids someday, if I want to have a nice family, if I want to be able to do the things I like, if I want to be more confident in myself, stuff like that, I got to go out and make it happen. I got to go make more money. I got to make everything happen for myself through Jesus, right? He will bless me with opportunities and wisdom and everything like that. But it's hard work, man. You get rewarded for hard work. You don't get rewarded for anything else. There is no luck. And we're doing our job with the trading. We're doing what we need to do, but we need to level up in every other aspect. So God bless everybody. I hope that you guys have a great day. I hope that you guys are enjoying the crazy times here. And yeah, man, look for the positives in everything in life and trading and everything, man. Look for the positives. Tell somebody you love them. Go outside, do something fun, man. Go to the gym, take a run, do something, man. Be physical, be active, and come back, man. Tomorrow we'll be back. We'll make another video. Hopefully, I mean, I can't imagine it's going to be any different. I don't know when I'll be able to trade again, but we will be here. We'll be ready to go. And we got blessed by Top Step. So we basically made $150 today. So that's cool, I guess. But, you know, on to the next one, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we have a great day tomorrow. this is going to be a great week because I know I'm going to follow all my rules. I need to stop disrespecting myself. I need to lock in and really, really focus, and that's what we're going to try and do this week. And I'm going to try and just be as focused as ever. And hopefully tomorrow goes well with Real Madrid as well. But I will see you guys. Enough rambling. Yeah, not really too much to talk about today, but I always somehow find a way to make these videos long. So I appreciate all you guys. I really do appreciate the support. We will hit 4,000 subscribers this week if things go according to plan, which is mind-blowing. Let's get there. Help me get there. Subscribe if you haven't. Like the video, comment. Help me out, man. I'm just a man trying to eat, trying to feed myself, man, and grow in this on everything. So I really can't express enough how much it means that you guys always watch these videos, and we're growing and growing and growing. My goal, I always say, my goal right now is 100K someday. So far off, but yet we'll be there someday. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah, peace.